Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Comment down in the comment section and tell me how you are doing. I'm okay. I'm good. Just that it's hot here. Like it's 9:30, but it's already way too hot. Okay, so to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the love and the support and the patience. Yeah. And to the new subbies, welcome to the family. Hope you'll decide to stay. Okay, guys, enjoy the vlog. Bye for now.
Rain or pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your love. It's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it. Your favorite gift. Under the tree. You can find me under the tree. I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve. Baby, unwrap me, unwrap me, unwrap me. You unwrap me, right under the tree. Right under the tree. You unwrap me, right under the tree. Right under the tree. You unwrap me, right under the tree. Christian Dior on my body. Rich bitch, I look like money. Walking, it's all eyes on me. I know it's hard to approach me, yeah. Pop my shit like bubble gum. It girl, this vibe is 101. And I ain't here looking for love, but dollar signs gon' turn me on. Sit back and enjoy the view. Look so good, should pay per view. Should pay per view. Look so good, should pay per view. Sit back, enjoy the view. Look so good, should pay per view. Should pay per view. Look so good, should pay per view. If it's a movie I'm starring, tuned in, I know they watching. One look at me, jaws dropping. I know it's hard not to want me, yeah. Look back at it, see me, make 'em wanna throw a stack at it. Dollar bills all around, I'm attracting it. I'm a luxury, I like lavish shit. Sit back and enjoy the view. Look so good, should pay per view. Should pay per view. Look so good, should pay per view. Sit back, enjoy the view. Look so good, should pay per view. Should pay per view. Look so good. They wanna get like this, get rich. Know that I'm lit, really that big. They wanna get like this, get rich. Know that I'm lit, really that big. Sit back and enjoy the view. Look so good, should pay per view. Should pay per view. Look so good, should pay per view. Sit back, enjoy the view. Look so good, should pay per view. Should pay per view. Look so good, should pay per view.
More for you to be on the roster. I need more, like someone who won't imposter me. Someone I can get used to. I feel like I could get used to you, but you know how it goes. One leave and the next one come on, keep no host. Give them the hug and I let them go. Show me what you got on it. I'ma make it work more for this, 'cause you just might, you're just might. Don't waste my time, might get me right, change my mind. Maybe you just might get me right, give me life, change my mind. Maybe you, oh no no, maybe you, oh no no, maybe you, la la la. Would you let me get in anytime that I want? Rolling late night up till the morning. Oh, I made me forget about all the imperfect chemistry. It's all to be with one that's designed for me. I need somebody, don't say it to show.
Welcome through.
We are gonna make boy band history tonight.
This is what they're eating. They're eating bread.
100 more of those by Showtime
Yeah.
Cruise. Those abs
Cappuccino bread and Ultraman, and we're watching Trolls.
I can have anybody I want. My one and only. Need you to hold me. 'Cause maybe you just might waste my time. Get me right. Change my mind. Maybe you just might get me right. Get me right. Get me right. Change my mind. Change my mind. Just might waste my time. You get me right. Change my mind. Maybe you just might come and get it right. Get me right. Change my mind. You like man grabbing the blunt. Not too much down on the bus. Boy humble so I never really fuss. Just show out when you show up and give me the, give me the, give me the.
Oh, yo.
Give me the, and I'll give you the.
Cause baby, like, ooh.
These chickens are not giving me peace. They are not giving me peace.
It's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
And guys, that this MAC thing I'm using, I'll show you. It smells so nice. It smells nice and it cleans. It cleans very well.
You got what I need and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you. So why don't you come to stay?
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's
This is what I'm talking about, guys. Yeah. It works very well. Oh, focus. Focus. It works very well. The way it's so hot, right now we're just gonna wait for the sun to go down so that we can go to our grandmother's place to eat mangoes. Because we don't have a mango tree at home. We're gonna have one, and it's a late bloomer. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, in case I don't have time to close the vlog, because we're gonna go late and we might come back when it's dark. In case I don't have time to close the vlog, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.